Vivid Sydney turns Sydney Harbour into one of the biggest light festivals on the planet. 23 nights with 43 installations, and this year the drone show is back.
Here's everything worth your time. If you haven't been before, Vivid is a festival of light, music and ideas that takes over the city every winter. This year it runs from the 22nd of May through to the 13th of June. Lights on from 6 p.m. every night. We've been going since it started, and these are shots from previous years.
And the main light walk, the thing that fills everyone's feed, is amazing. The great thing about Vivid is you can have a spectacular night out without spending a cent. The light walk runs 6.5 kilometres from Circular Quay and the Rocks through Barangaroo and down to Darling Harbour, enjoying 43 installations along the way.
One we're excited about is called Molecule of Light at Barangaroo Reserve. It's a laser and sound installation from British artist Chris Levine, worth sitting with for a few minutes rather than just getting the shot and moving on.
There's also one called Obstacle stretching 45 metres across the harbour. The scale alone stops you in your tracks.
Biggest tip for the light walk, go midweek. Tuesday or Wednesday feels like a completely different festival to a Saturday. If the weekend is all you've got, get there by 6:30 p.m.
The music program at the Opera House this year is really strong. Mogwai on the 23rd of May, celebrating 30 years as a band. Scottish post-rock that builds from something quiet into something enormous. Hearing that in the concert hall is going to be something.
King Stingray make their Opera House debut on opening night, a Yolngu rock band from the Northern Territory. Surf rock on the surface with something much older underneath it.
Flying Lotus, Jeff Mills and Earl Sweatshirt are also on the bill. Most shows still have tickets. Head to sydneyoperahouse.com to get yours.
The drone show didn't run last year, and everyone is glad it's back for 2026. The show is called Starbound over Cockle Bay in Darling Harbour, Sunday to Wednesday, sessions at 7:30 and 9:30 p.m.
10 minutes above the water, properly choreographed. Get there early. This one always draws a crowd.
A few things before you go: don't drive, road closures make it a nightmare, train or ferry, and the ferry home from Darling Harbour at the end of the night is worth it on its own to see all the lights from the water.
The light walk takes about 90 minutes at a comfortable pace. Spread it across 2 nights if you can. You'll enjoy it more.
And dress for Sydney winter. Standing still on the harbour at 9 p.m. is not a warm afternoon. Bring proper layers and a beanie in case the wind picks up.
We're heading out on the first night of the festival, and we'll have a full follow-up video showing you what it actually looks and feels like on the night. Subscribe so you don't miss it.
Vivid isn't perfect. The crowds are real, but nothing else in the Southern Hemisphere does what it does, across 23 nights, mostly for free, using this harbour as its stage.
We'll see you out there.
Everything you need to plan your Vivid visit is at inspirationalhunter.com. Guides, blogs, walking routes, links below in the description. Enjoy.